In America, when most of us go to the doctor, we don't have a clue what we're told, what's wrong with us, or what the treatment plan is. My name is Dr. Gettings, and I am here to help you increase your health literacy IQ. What is health literacy IQ? It is your level of intelligence as it pertains to your health. How can you take care of yourself if you don't even know how your body works? Have no fear. This channel has been created to help you boost that health literacy IQ. I'm going to give you all the information that I've gathered over the years after years and years of medical school and residency and fellowship and make it super simple so you can explain it like you're talking to a baby. We're going to raise that healthy IQ and have you advocating for your health at your next doctor's appointment in no time.